Okay, everybody get always. We are back again with another interview about JT Media one day tournament. So, Bafeto Genalaman,
Ambira receive Raga.
okay, Hodman.
Dakabo X. You would done about what's Magabicha, Praga, Shagalipito.
Okay, Hodman. So, my Hodman has entered and but a fellow Felaka tournament in an hourly Fila Janka JT tournament, Hodman.
Praga, Wabona, JT Media. Tournament them sharp, I got a Botaville, Praga. And you're good, so when I JT Media. It is a store, Joe. Kimona Malone born. Bayana born a Joe.
So, Hodman,
I've been and it is a money for what one challenging out of about Honash and
Okay, Braga. I think I will kindly like to thank JT Media for hosting this show about Braga. This show is immaculate, Braga, speculative about Braga. Yeah, would you like express and to the pie? We can see you, Ricasia, one full of support, Braga, and we are grateful for it, Braga.
Okay,
respect, Braga.
Okay, respect for JT Media. Okay, Mahodmane. Hopa fella, lefaneka message, any message or loan for everyone. A lot of accommodate anyone.
Braga born and I want to JT Media. Tournament and the bonnet, America, and the supporter, really, but Wagas, so Rafana supporting an air, you know. So, what's on to Braga? Yeah, Masha da Braga.
Hodman.
Over and take out on a jury. Born, have a head to reborn, or the only or have you what? Born, give out Braga, Papa, and Braga.
Wait, Tabi, so
born, I tell you, so Tabanga fair. So, Braga.
Hodman, when a message,
Mrs. Yugo, support what our Palambol. Like Imuna, Robafe support the Logombe Shoka, and a Rebafe like different support or Eloring Shaba Tumbaka Sina for GT. What I can say is that support is the key to success. Braga, succeed a support of Braga because we can see Ricasia one and a lato for yes, Palangi, this is in place. So, the message you go to the usual Braga is that do the best and forget the rest, Braga. As you can see, but well over never let he Braga and my regular Braga. I want to go to Braga, Dulobu Braga. JT Media, one love for Braga. So, Braga.
Respect him, Mahodman.
Okay, still edit and still roaming. Can I let sister Mona sister Jman? Okay, sister, as well, Ophelia Fandaha, Tatinilla Fandaha tournament.
Get happy to have a look at him. How would I come Eva Paraje? What's more than Mushman and Lalang and Bugamo? Number 7. Gifin, the little Gifin.
What I love not.
On Dalla Hantaham, you want and Dalla Hamunataham.
You feel Madalina.
What a man,
okay, so Jole Fandaha, Tatinilla Fandaha. We're now on a kitty me fingering. It was Tamale.
Vuda come ki se eta male cup ke fila le madi sheba ke fila ke chante ka vuda khomo.
Okay, so jale Fandaga word of the day message o ka fang batho ka reng fela bathong
message o go fang batho ke tlore take ba ke word of the day ne now word of the day word of the day go batho nga go support Vodacom.
Okay, thank you ne ke leboane.
Okay, Hodman Genalma.
Let me show you.
Okay, Hodman shows was a Rabata fellow or Blelega can talk a tournament in an Rabata fellow experience a fellow definition JT tournament or we could Rajuanka Vipating or whether like since it got out mobile.
She was really simple. You are wearing tournament in Charawa. You are never let some million cutting one and every chip living on a baby. You are one. I want to check out one about 12 fair like you are
bona le mauthi ka fela ba tla bo disk wa bona bo botsotsi mona ka fukudisa JT Media ntaka e mona is funded wa bona tournament e maka so fere re ta iqeda go so fiti destination ya tournament re ta iqeda sharp
Khotman na go kopa fela o fane ka message fela message o mo lo mo ka o fang batho youth ya rona ya youth ya rona ka ga motso wa Bothabile
wa bona youth mfethu ha tla le disk mfethu if una le talent wa tla disk ntaka wa bona uyu mona we keep a busy you skaba like go start nyantolo re di anna sa wa bona da dina ke keepile bona re ka ino o problem se pa
ka bona re kopaneng ka o fela o mna
ya ntaka
ya Khotman ka
sa bonja ma word of the day ya dila sentja ba sketsa phoso ba hlape ka gago ya letsatsi ya batswai
ya Khotman a re le buile Khotman dango
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
Word of the day.
Word of the day. Na ke skata nani. I don't play the kata. I ke skata. Kata tse di anetse. Yo hlahise video. Kata tse di anetse.
Awena ba Khotman.
Okay, still edit and still roaming. Kena le Khotman mona Khotman yema.
Ama ke Thapelo Maje Makabaza.
O Thapelo Maje Makabaza Khotman o fila jwang fanda ga tsatsing le fanda ga tournament.
Amona ba tsa tournament mona ke inspire bana le wena o ka jikisa camera wa bona la fitu. Bana le bona batla bona re mona at least ke bolo ntse le teng tse phela monna ga shebala le ntho tse minate fela wa bona mo a bolo tsa metso ba palo bo mnate re ke re relax wa bona.
Okay so jwale message o ka re fa ngwana fandaga wena o ka reng ho rona fandaga
e man nice former football player fit wa bona ntenga o bolela ona bo re monna at least ke inspired in fit la go ntsa ka bolo ne ba pala holo o sena di happy jwala ntho tsena ka ofela so e monna nka o bolelle monna bana ba banyane ba ba inspired so re monna le rona re batla bona re bapala re shebeletse ke batho ba bangata wa bona ntho nyana e
a ke le wa Khotman tankine
e monna e ba bolelle mo fete monna aba ke kopa le like mo le subscribe mo ba fete ka le kopa ba fete
go there please ba fete Khotman wa le kopa
ka le kopa ba fete.
Okay, we still edit, we still roaming. It's a wrap, it's game over. So can I got money? He will talk about la gona dinta.
Fere ke tshepo hape ba fethu re keta winner game ya dilase ya JT Media re tla le bona ka di 14 hape ka di semi final Vodacom ke X Anonymous semi final re tla le bona ka di 14 dango